Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, the place where we dive deep into the gear you use every day and give you the honest breakdown you deserve. Today, we're looking at something every audio enthusiast, car audio installer, or home theater builder needs: a good speaker wire. Specifically, the DS18 SW-14GA-100RB 14-gauge ultra-flex speaker wire. It's 100 feet of red and black cable designed for audio applications, and we're going to find out if it's worth your money. Out of the box, the first thing you notice is the build. This wire comes coiled and color-coded, red for positive, black for negative, which makes setup super intuitive. The insulation feels solid but surprisingly soft. This is what DS18 calls ultra flex, and they're not kidding. Even fresh out of the coil, there's minimal memory in the wire, meaning it doesn't fight you when you're trying to route it through tight spaces. Let's talk specs. This is 14-gauge CCA wire, which stands for copper-clad aluminum. So while it's not pure copper, it does offer a good balance between conductivity and cost. Inside, the strands are finely twisted, which helps with flexibility and signal stability. DS18 has designed this cable to carry current efficiently, which is important when you're powering high-output speakers. The jacket is thick enough to provide excellent insulation, but it doesn't feel bulky or stiff. That means better thermal capacity and power delivery without overheating or loss. This wire is designed for vehicle audio and home audio applications. If you're running cables from an amp to subwoofers or door speakers in a car, this flexibility is going to save you tons of installation time. Tight corners, door hinges, and custom enclosures are no issue here. For home use, it's ideal for surround sound setups or long cable runs across rooms or ceilings. The equal-length red and black cabling means signal balance is consistent across your system, minimizing distortion and signal loss. In terms of real-world performance, the DS18 14-gauge wire delivers clean audio transmission. You won't notice any interference or drop in sound quality when used correctly. The copper-clad aluminum construction does mean slightly higher resistance compared to pure copper, but for most systems the difference is negligible. This is especially true unless you're running very long distances with high wattage. The wire itself holds up well and doesn't split, tear, or kink under normal conditions. Even when bent at sharp angles, it maintains its structure and flexibility. So here's the bottom line. The DS18 is a reliable, flexible, and budget-conscious option for anyone needing speaker wire for audio applications. It's well suited for both vehicle and home use, and the ultra-flex design really shines during installation. While it's not oxygen-free pure copper, the CCA construction gets the job done for the price point. For 100 feet of wire, you're getting value, performance, and a product that's clearly designed with installers in mind. That's it for today's review. If you're looking to upgrade or wire up your next audio project, this one might be worth checking out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more real-world product critiques. This is Product Critique. See you in the next one.